In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a photo in Leonardo AI. This tutorial will take you through the process step by step, ensuring you can easily follow along and achieve your desired edits with confidence. Let's get started. First, head on over to the Leonardo AI website. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. If you haven't logged in yet, just enter your credentials and you're good to go. If you don't have an account, you might need to take a moment to create one, but that's not a big deal and will only take a few steps. Now that you're logged in, it's time to find the photo you want to edit. This could be a picture that you've previously uploaded or one from your collection. Just make sure it's the one you want to work on. Take your time browsing through your photos if needed. No rush here. Once you've pinpointed the image you're looking to edit, click on it. Clicking on the image will open up the detail view of your chosen photo. This allows you to see it in all its glory and get ready for the next editing phase. With the image open, search for the button labeled Edit, Image Editor, or sometimes Canvas. Each of these might be available depending on the version you're using, so just click on whichever is present in your interface. This will bring you into the editing mode where all the magic happens. Next, decide on your editing method. Leonardo AI typically offers various tools and adjustments, allowing you to enhance, transform, or make subtle tweaks to your images. Think about what changes you'd like to apply. Is it a color correction, adding effects, or maybe cropping? Whatever it is, select the method that aligns with your goals. After you've settled on your editing strategy, it's time to write an edit prompt. This is where you can specifically instruct the AI on what changes to apply. Be clear and concise in your instructions for best results. The AI uses this prompt to understand the updates you're aiming to accomplish. Once you've crafted your edit prompt, it's time to bring those changes to life. Click on the Generate button, or sometimes it might be labeled as Apply, to incorporate the edits based on your directions. It might take a few moments for the AI to process, but hold tight, your new image will soon appear before you. Take a good look at your edited image. If you find it needs a bit more tweaking, maybe the color's not quite right or the contrast needs adjusting, go ahead and refine it. Use the tools available to make any additional adjustments until you're satisfied with the result. And there you have it. You've successfully edited your photo using Leonardo AI.